Everything holds a vibration. So linking powerful emotions like love and forgiveness to whatever you're trying to heal will allow you to not only get into a better headspace to solve these issues more easily, but it'll allow you to stress less when more issues come up in the future. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Alyssa, and this channel is about the law of attraction, building self-empowerment, and conquering limiting self-beliefs. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you stay notified when I post new videos. Like this video to support the channel, leave me a comment, and share this video if it can help someone else. In this video, I'm going to do a follow-up on the one that I did on Ho'oponopono, which is the ancient Hawaiian prayer or mantra that's used for healing and improving troubled areas of your life. So I'll quickly reiterate what the prayer is and how to use it, and then I'll go over my results using it as well as results from other people. And at the end of my rambling, I add about 5 minutes of the mantra on a loop, sort of like a mini meditation, if you'd like to stick around and listen to that at the end. This video was requested by one of my subscribers, Swati Joshi, so thank you so much, Swati, for requesting this video. So what is Ho'oponopono? As stated earlier, it's a Hawaiian mantra or prayer, whatever you want to call it, that's used for healing. So the 4 lines of the mantra are, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. This prayer was made pretty famous back in the 1980s when Dr. Hew Len was working with criminally insane patients at a state hospital in Hawaii. He used this mantra to essentially heal these patients, all of whom were released just a few years after starting Dr. Len's work with them. I break down exactly how he did this in the original that I did about it, so I'll link that below and pin it to the comments if you want to hear more about that. But Ho'oponopono itself means to correct, heal, or make right. So you can use this prayer for honestly anything from healing relationships with loved ones to healing your relationship with yourself. You can use it for correcting financial issues or just heal an area of your life that hasn't been working for you. Swati asked in a comment if this could help with her son's studies, and yes, I believe that it can absolutely work for that too. It's all about the energy that we're putting into these phrases, which I'll get into in a little bit. But again, the 4 lines of the mantra are, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. And you can say those in any order. And how you can use this is I use it kind of like a meditation. So you can sit quietly by yourself, take a few slow, deep breaths, get relaxed, and then visualize the issue that you're having or whatever you're aiming to heal, and then say the mantra. You can say it out loud or in your head, but I think that saying it out loud probably holds a little bit more weight. You can also listen to recordings of the mantra, which I do a lot. And I do break down each line of the mantra in the original video that I did. So again, I'll go ahead and link that below and pin it to the comments if you're not as well versed in the mantra. So I'm going to get into my results in a second, but some other feedback that I got from other people are things like becoming more patient with other people, developing more empathy, forgiving their past as well as people who have hurt them, a reduction in their anxiety and depression, even mending relationships with people that they haven't spoken to in years. And all of this equals what? Healing. The forgiveness aspect of the prayer alone is a very powerful healing tool. You can even heal your body with forgiveness. But I believe that this prayer can heal anything and completely change your life for the better. And it's all about the energy that these words hold and the meanings that we give them. Everything holds a vibration. So linking powerful emotions like love and forgiveness to whatever you're trying to heal will allow you to not only get into a better headspace to solve these issues more easily, but it'll allow you to stress less when more issues come up in the future. Because this is a very rhythmic universe that we're in, and there will always be ups as well as downs. So I started using Ho'oponopono last year, and I used it for a couple of things, but I used it mainly because I realized that I wasn't accepting the right treatment from other people. I've been a doormat in friendships and relationships. In the past, I'd taken borderline abuse from supervisors and sometimes coworkers. I accepted a lot of crap in relationships. I never set boundaries, and I was just feeling small and inferior in my existence. But I didn't want to feel small. I wanted to be the polite badass that stood up for herself, spoke her truth, and attracted people who aligned with that. So how I used the mantra for this was that I took on the responsibility of continuing to accept this treatment. So I sought forgiveness within myself for perpetually getting reflections of how I felt about myself and not looking at it and healing it. So I wasn't necessarily changing my relationship with these other people. I changed the relationship I had with myself, because it starts with me. And how I was treated by those other people started to change in a positive way, of course. Some of these people I don't even speak to anymore, or I have much fewer interactions with them, or they just became nicer to be around. It didn't challenge me as much. In fact, one of those people pointed out and even complimented me on this new energy that I had taken on. As within, so without. I changed the relationship with myself, and since life is a mirror, I got a much better reflection. Another thing that started happening was that I started attracting deeper friendships. I used to struggle with that because I developed subconscious beliefs when I was younger that suggested that I wasn't worthy of close friendships. And throughout my life, up until recently, I was afraid to get close to people and make these connections. I shut myself out. I always declined when asked to go out, and I just always felt like the outcast. And I needed to see that, look at it, and take responsibility for allowing that nonsense of a belief to keep making its appearance without me doing something about it and breaking out of the pattern. So I used I'm sorry as an apology to myself for not seeing my worth all these years. It's not my fault, but it is my responsibility. So I had to forgive myself and thank myself for my awareness and taking action on it, and remind myself to love myself unconditionally. So that's how I used the 4 lines of the mantra. Do I still struggle with these things? Of course I do. This is a journey that I am in no rush to get through. This is healing. And I'm gonna keep finding these wounds, but I'm not gonna be afraid to face them anymore. And Ho'oponopono is a tool that I will forever use for this and so many other things. So these are my results with using Ho'oponopono, and I will continue to update you guys for other things that I use it for. But I truly hope that this was helpful. Like this video if you liked it, and leave me a comment if you have any questions or anything to add. And again, stick around if you do want to listen to the mantra for the next few minutes. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the recording, and as always, please be safe, much love, and I'll see you next time.
I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.